How long does it take to clean a roof? That's a very good question, and there's no hard and fast answer. There are many different factors that can determine how long it takes to clean your roof. Chiefly, and predominantly, how big is your roof? How dirty is it? How much moss is on there? What's the dirt on there? Is there staining, algae, lichens? These all need to be factored in when you're cleaning the roof because we want to make it clean and get rid of everything we can. How big is the area? So, as I said, what type of property? How large is it? What pitch is the roof? What are the tile types? These can all play a part in how long it takes to clean your roof, along with the method being used. What tools? What type of access is being used? Are we working off the ground? Off ladders for short periods? Do we have a static tower or a cherry picker? Can they be used in just one position, or do we have to move them, erect them, take them down, reposition the pickers? They all add to the time and length that it takes to clean your roof. The weather can also play a part. Obviously, we're human beings and we're out there in the field cleaning your roof, really poor conditions. The sun is in your eyes. These can all play a part in the length of time it takes. As well as cleaning the roof, obviously, itself, there's the actual clean-up and post-clean-up of the debris and fallout of what's on your roof. The company that are coming out to clean your roof, have they considered this? What you need to factor in as well, it's not just on your property. You need to consider the neighbouring properties. You need to make sure that when cleaning, you clean up, obviously, the mess you create on the property and surrounding property, the areas that have been affected by the fallout. So, a standard house, 3-bed, moderately mossy, can take 3 to 4 hours using the cherry picker. Factoring in the clean-up time, another 2 hours. So we can normally clean it up and be done within a day. Anything larger, bigger, more messier, poorer access, can obviously take longer. But that's the average time it takes to clean a house.